We are here today because we believe in education. We believe in the value of education for our children and for our young people, for our country and for our economic future. We believe that education changes lives for the better. That is why we are here, and that is why we must continue to oppose cuts, education cuts, until they are all reversed. And I have a question for this government. Why must the children pay? Why must the children pay for the mistakes and greed of politicians, of bankers and developers? Why? The Troika Minister and Taoiseach do not tell you to cut education. They don't micromanage this austerity programme you cling to. You and your government colleagues make these choices. You and your colleagues have targeted the children of this country. And these children have only one chance at education. Shame on you all, ministers. Young temporary teachers lose their jobs. Permanent jobs are relatively non-existent, unfortunately. Our brightest and our best have to emigrate. These young teachers are the lifeblood of our schools, the future of education in this country. And for those young teachers who do get a job, well, the way you have been treated over the past 2 years has been nothing short of unjust and disgraceful. We demand equal pay for equal work. What has been done? What has been done is unfair, unjust, and can destroy Irish education. Education cuts affect children and young people's life today and into the future. They affect student well-being and student attainment. They hinder economic recovery. They hurt the vulnerable the most. Our children, our young people, are most vulnerable, and our young teachers are hurting. It is essential that we send a clear message today to the Minister for Diminishing Resources. There should be no more cuts. No more cuts. No more cuts. Thank you.